group group brainstorming. There are few steps that everybody has to follow, and creative person like you have to follow this one. So Alex Osborne, he has given these steps for the group brainstorming. See, one by one. Number one is prepare the group. It is very important and very useful. You have to first prepare the group who will be the part over there in the brainstorming. If the brainstorming is related with your college festival and all, definitely you are going to use and you will allow the people those who have work already in that particular event. जिसने काम नहीं किया है, I'm not, you are not supposed to call them, or the people those who are least interested for that, you should not call them. That is what the idea related with the the first part as to be prepare the group. If the problem is related with purchasing, so I have to call people those who are related with the purchase. I have to call the people those who are working in the purchase department, the people those who deals with the you know uh, the people those who are supplier to me or my company, उन लोगों को बुलाऊं मैं. उसमें एडवर्टाइजिंग वाले लोग को बुला का कुछ मतलब नहीं है. So preparation of the group is very important. Now, in preparation, what happened? Always, you can say. So many times it happen. There is a conflict, okay, between person to person. हो भी सकता है ना, कुछ एक का एक ग्रुप होगा, एक का दूसरा ग्रुप होगा. Okay, and before calling, prepare when you are preparing group and all, you have to make sure the chart, whiteboard and all, computer, projector, everything has to be ready on the place where people are coming. So when you are preparing the group and when the people those who are having a conflict between them and they are coming together, you have to give some exercises or some basic exercises to them. Okay, like warm up वगैरह दे दो, some exercise दे दो. उससे क्या होगा, your mind will transfer to another way, that is what called as icebreaker kind of. अनदर वे, आपका दिमाग दूसरी जगह चला जाएगा, रादर देन टू थिंकिंग कि अरे ये भी आया है क्या, अभी इसको दिखाता हूँ कि मैं कितना चालाक हूँ, मैं कितना स्मार्ट हूँ. व्हेन देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट हैपेंस कि समबडी इज सेइंग ए, तो मैं तो जेड ही बोलने वाला हूँ, मैं बोलूँगा ये आइडिया काम नहीं करेगा. समझ में आ रहा है? फ्यू डेज बिफोर, मतलब few months before, I participated in a particular seminar, uh, before this January. I'm talking last year. So in that seminar, it was a seminar of how to write book in 40 days. Half day seminar, it was. Full day seminar I attended for the half day. So when uh, I been over there along with one of my cousin brother. So there are around 70 to 80 people were together at a place. And the best thing, nobody knows each other. हम किसी को नहीं जानते हैं. Okay, luckily I was lucky, my cousin brother was there. मैंने उसका भी बुक कर लिया था. So मैं दो जन को छोड़ के I don't know anybody, और the person who has given that particular seminar उसको भी नहीं जानता था. But when it started, like at the start of that particular seminar, what he did smart way, that he made us to handshake with the people those who are standing on my left side and the right side. Now this is also exercise. I'm talking about how to, like when the overall group is unknown, just see to each other. फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि जो फ्रंट पे है, जो बैक साइड पे है, उन लोग से हाथ मिलाओ. सो ऑटोमेटिकली माय ग्रुप इज रिमेन एज सच कि नया ग्रुप बन रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स बन गए उस एरिया में. ओके, सो if we don't know each other, you have to do some exercises like this one, and I appreciated that one. ओके, और हम थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटा छोटा ग्रुप बन गया कि मैं 10 लोग को या 8 लोग को जानता हूँ कम से कम. ओके, इन दिस वे एटलीस्ट 4 पीपल वी नो ईच अदर. उस और मुझको अपना नाम बताना. सो the group where people don't know, you can do this particular exercise. Where there is a conflict, once again you can do this exercise. Change the place can be the exercise. हमारे स्कूल में, हमारे कॉलेज में होता है, अगर दो लोग साथ में बैठे ज्यादा झगड़ा झंझट कर रहे हैं, उसको अलग कर दो. दोस्त लोग परेशान कर रहे हैं, अलग कर दो. दिस इज व्हाट ऑल अबाउट प्रिपेयर द ग्रुप. ओके, second one is, I hope you understand everyone. Second one is present the problem. Now when you have prepared the group, this is essential to understand. You have to present the problem in front of them. Okay, in front of them matlab in the meeting, and you have to show and present what is the meeting objective altogether. Other than your personal grudges, you have to concentrate more towards this the problem, where for that problem solution we are over here, okay, rather than the personal grudges. So that problem effectively you have to present. Problem presentation is not a simple task, try to understand. Everybody has to understand that one. It is not at all simple task when you present problem. Means you have to give detailed information of that problem. If it is related with products and services, there should be detailed information why that problem happened, how it happens, who is the competitor to be there, or without competitor is there any problem, or for changes, for creativity. There are so many things, but all these things have to be, like the person who will be the in charge or the head to be there in that brainstorming meeting group, he has to provide that information. Third is like guide the discussion. Here, why guiding the discussion is important, because as an in charge or the head or team leader to be there, he should make sure there should not be a wrong way or criticism way it is to be there in that particular brainstorming. If he want positive outcome from the meeting, he has to properly guide the discussion. If we find anybody is criticizing, or if we find anybody is angry, or somebody is saying something, उसकी बात को कट कर रहा है, and he in denying he is presenting another thing, तब तो यही चलते रहेगा. As a human being we know generally we don't accept ideas and values from others, and this is true, I'm telling you. छोटे बच्चे नहीं सुनते भाई. इफ यू चेक स्मॉल किड्स, अगर तुम उनको बोलोगे बैठ जाओ, अपने घर में आसपास किधर बच्चे होंगे, तुम उनको बोलो यहाँ पे बैठो, बैठेगा क्या? नहीं बैठेगा. स्लोली एंड सडनली जब वो मार्केट माहौल समझने लगते हैं, जैसे हम लोग बड़े हो गए, तो हम या तो समाज के प्रेशर से सम टाइम, या फिर एथिक्स से, या फिर कुछ और, हम वैसा बिहेव करते हैं जैसा समाज है. बट किड्स आर नॉट लाइक दैट वे. Okay, so in the discussion you have to give chance to everyone and guide the discussion and give chance to everyone, the best one, like, so that they can express their views and all. So Alex Osborne, he has given in that applied imagination, he has given that these 4 pointers or 4 rules you have to concentrate if you want your brainstorming session or group brainstorming session powerful and important. So number one is in that no criticism is allowed. Nobody should criticize anybody's idea or anybody in the meeting. Number one, we know what criticism altogether. Okay. Second one is free willing is welcome. Somebody like from the in that particular group, if he want that, he should come up and say something. And I'm telling you, very few people to be there. Those who are having this कॉन्फिडेंस. क्लास में भी आई फील एवरीवन, आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ होगा, आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ होगा. ओके, एवरी किसी ने, हर एक की लाइफ में ऐसा होता है कि somebody asks समथिंग, आपको लगता है कि ये आंसर सही होना चाहिए था, लेकिन हमारा कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है कि टू से और प्रेजेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पीपल या फिर ग्रुप, और एंड ऐसा आता है कि वो आंसर सही है. Getting? So the people, those who are confident, many times they are correct because they have free willing. So if anybody is coming from there and you appreciate that one and give chance to everyone. Quantity wanted, of course, in group discussion there should be quantity. ना numbers होने चाहिए, लोगों के number होने चाहिए 10, 15, 20, 25. So उसमें क्या होगा कि 10 mind एक साथ आने का मतलब ही है कि 10 different creative aspects may come in front of us, and on the basis of that 10 creative aspects we are going to do positive in near future. Fourth one is combine and improvement are sought. Combination and improvement मतलब you just combine things like free willing and quantity, free willing and no criticism, anything, all three. So combine those things and improve the meeting by presenting a proper objective. So these things, when people will follow, especially for this brainstorming, group brainstorming, it will be really successful brainstorming. That's it from the process of uh, related with process of group brainstorming. Getting? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द फर्स्ट पार्ट दैट आई हैव गिवन टू यू. समझ में आया भाई? हेलो.